Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have an Oraloa to show you. They had sent me 3 to show, and I've kind of spread them out, one every few weeks. So this is the last one they sent that I have to show. But they also sent some other goodies along I wanted to show you. So let's do that first, and then we'll get into the painting, all right? So one of the first things they sent was this book, this diamond painting log book. Let your creativity sparkle. This is available on their website, and I thought it was pretty neat. Mine got a little wet somehow in transport. It's a little, whatever. So anyhow, it's a really nice book. Look how big it is. That's what I really like about it. It's 2 pages per painting. So you could put your photo here. You got all kinds of information, start and end date, how many hours, the artist, was it easy, the type of drills, did it have special drills? Over here, you could kind of keep track of your progress if you wanted to do that. Who sold it? How much? How much did you like it? Did you have drills left over? There's just room for all kinds of information. And then this whole section down here at the bottom that you could just put little notes about the painting. If you're inclined to do that, that's pretty extensive information there. I liked it. It's a nice little book. I wish mine hadn't gotten wet. Somehow I think it got wet in the box before it got to me. And it's just kind of, it's still usable. But anyhow, that's the logbook. Okay. Then this little bag of goodies came, and I've saved this. I've saved it to the last video here. And let's show you what all comes in here. There's all kinds of stuff. So this is a little card, Let Your Creativity Sparkle. It's a thank you card. What is this one? Do you have the 3 tikis? Contact us. Oh, I haven't gotten one of these yet. This is like a little lottery ticket. Scratch me. If you have 3 tikis, you win a kit of your choice. Do I have 3 tikis? I'm going to scratch it right now. What do I have? I don't know. Let's see. What do I have? What do the tikis look like? What do they even look like? I don't know. You got 1 tiki, 2 tikis. Oh, I'm a 2 tiki. Oh, shoot. I didn't win a free kit. Oh, well, that's cute. That's fun. What else is in here? Oh, I've seen people get these cards. I haven't gotten a card yet. Now I got 2. Cute. So it's card number 1 and card number 9. So I suppose you can collect all of these. Nice. Love it. So this is like a painting on their site from Alina Dodina. And this is an Oraloa. Okay. And then I believe these are stickers. Yes. So we have Oraloa Beach. I unboxed Oraloa Beach, remember? Oraloa, Let Your Creativity Sparkle, and Hawaii, the Aloha State. So those are stickers. So that's fun stuff. And then there's all of this stuff in here. Isn't this adorable? It's a little itty bitty drill tray. Isn't it cute? This little tiki guy. He's so cute. It says Oraloa on the back. I have a collection of other things here too. That's why I brought that bag out. I'll show you some other things. I'm getting quite a collection of little goodies. This would be a perfect cover minder if you put magnets on the back of it. Be a great little cover minder, wouldn't it? The little tiki guy. And then what is all of this stuff? I'm going to just dump it all out into my hand here. So we have, oh my goodness. We have a little ice cream, because I love you. We have a little turtle. You could make any of these into cover minders if you chose to. Isn't he cute? He's not a turtle. He's a fish. Goodness gracious. And then I have shells. I have 4 little shells. I have a butterfly. You see these things? And another little shell. Cute, right? Just a little bag of goodies. That's fun. I don't know when you get those, how you get them. I don't know. If you go purchase, will you get all this stuff? I can't answer that question. I just don't know. I have seen people getting the little trading cards, though. One other time when I got stuff from them, though, I got a little collection of goodies. So I got a pin. I got 2 pins. I got a ukulele. I got some more of those little shells. So, I mean, I got a little collection of goodies here. I'm just going to keep collecting. Keep collecting until I decide what I want to do with them. Okay? All right. Let's look at the painting. I got to choose 3 from a set of choices that they gave me. So This is the third one that I chose. And this one is really kind of different for me. Little bit different. not what you would normally expect to see from me. So on the end of the box, yep. On the end of the box. Oh, look. That's funny. That was the artist that I just got the little card for. Right? It was. This is the same artist. Alina Dudina. Love it. This one's called Face to Face, and this one was Nice Surprise. So let's get into it and let's see it. I think it should be really pretty. Colors are really different on this one. Very brown and gold. And let's see. Come on. Open up our little tab here. Come on, little tab. This is what my little X-Acto knife is good for. Okay, we're in. We are in. It also has a picture on the back, a sticker on the back. On the back, it tells us the size is 50 by 65, and it is square diamonds. That's what it says on the back. Okay, let's look at it. Let's get it out. They do a nice job. They got a nice box, and it all comes in an outer box as well. Got the plastic sleeve. Everything is well protected in your kit. I mean, they really, really have a nice product. And it's one I need to start putting some drills on and try it out. It's an Oraloa. Got the soft back canvas. We've got our scalloped and poked edges. The things that we have come to love so much, right? So let's roll it backwards. Get everything out of the middle. And we'll take a peek at her. The nice day outside. There's a breeze. You hear the wind chime. Wind chimes blowing away. Yep. All right. Let's hold this over here for a second and see what else we have here. Here's our big bag of drills. Oh, I see. Look at ABs right there. Right there. 3 ABs. Okay. Here is an informational sheet. Welcome to the creative world of Oraloa. They come out with new stuff. There's code for you, Oraloa 15. I don't think I have a code personally, but there's a code. Tips and tricks and instructions there. Here's our sticker sheet. We'll look at that in a second. Let's look at the toolkit. Then we'll get into the other things. Okay, come on. Everything. We need it all. We need it all. Almost. We're almost there. One more thing. Okay, so we have a pen with a 3-placer and a squishy comfort grip. We have a white boat, a moss tray, and there's another multi-placer. I don't know what it is, a 7, a 9, something like that. We have tweezers. These are pretty. They're pink, and they are pointy. Love it. I love it when the tweezers come together and they come really closed at the tip. Sometimes they're bent a little, and they don't work as well. We have a pot of blue wax. There's a couple of them in there. Take the plastic off, but the little container will keep everything clean and hair-free and all that. They have their own washi tape branded. Of the tiki guy, it says Oraloa on there. It's super cute, right? Love it. Okay, so that's their toolkit. Nice little toolkit. I love the tweezers. Love the pink tweezers. Love, love, love. Okay, here is their sticker sheet. So over here, artist name. The name of the painting is Face to Face. The size is a 50 by 65. This is all sticker. You could cut these out. These are not pre-cut. But you could cut them out and use them if you chose to. The labels are pre-cut, so you can just peel them off and put them on your containers. There are 50 colors. That's quite a few. We already saw the ABs. There are 1, 2, 3 of them. They're right here at the end. So super nice. Love it. Check out Oraloa. They come out with new stuff, I think, pretty much every week. Follow them on Instagram. That's where I see it most of the time. They do have, I believe they have a Facebook, though, too. But check them out. Instagram's a good place to see the sneak peeks. Here is a legend. I mean, a lot of browns and oranges and yellows in this one, right? So there's the number. Here's the symbol. Here's the DMC code. Here's their social media right down here at the bottom. Follow them on Facebook, Pinterest. Do you follow any of the diamond painting companies on Pinterest? I don't. And I have Pinterest. I go on there quite a bit. But Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, love it. Look at her face. Doesn't that look good? I mean, that looks so good. I mean, there are a bunch of colors in her face. You know, it starts over here and probably gets lighter as it comes up here. There's tons of colors making that shading in her face. I think that's going to really look nice. And then there's I think it's a leopard. I'm calling it a leopard. Okay. Beautiful. Over here, I mean, this is going to be black, right? All of this background here, it's got to be black. Here's your information down here at the bottom. So multi-place away over here, guys, and over here, and you'll get two in here as well. But yeah, that is all black through here and through here. All that background, all the background there is black as well. And I mean, it's going to be black so that this all that color just pops off there, right? It's going to be beautiful. I just can't get over how good her face looks. I mean, on the painting here, before you put drills on it, it looks fantastic. I mean, I'd be very interested to see how the whole face turns out with drills. You know what I mean? I think it looks great. Let your creativity sparkle. I think it's stunning. Check it out. You guys go to their website and check it out, right? Join the Oraloa family. If you have not tried an Oraloa, I highly recommend to try one. And it is the next kit. When I have a free minute or two, I'm going to start putting some drills on an Oraloa. I don't know which one yet. I got a few. I think I know which one. One of the first ones I ever got from them is the one I think I want to put drills on. So anyhow, I think they're all in order. Yep. Nice. I love it when they're in order. Then I get to mess them up, right? So number 1's brown. Square drills. They look good. Brown, tan, yellow. See if I can leave them in order. Here's our 3 bags of black. Hello, darkness, my old friend, right? More browns, oranges, tans, peach colors. I told you that's what it's all going to be, right? What else do we have? Another yellow. Look at the oranges. Pretty. I love these colors. Oh, I pulled out the AB. I didn't know I grabbed the AB, but look at the yellows. Yellows, oranges. Hear my duck going crazy out there? I don't know what they're doing. They're having a good old time out there. Don't know what's happening. Look at that color. That's pretty. 814 is super pretty. And 815 is kind of like its cousin. And then look at these. This one is another tone, another shade, right? Terracotta type colors. We got a few more to look at here. There's another AB. Look, I'm actually leaving them in order. I mean, after a while, these all kind of look the same, don't they? Rusty, terracotta, orange, brown colors. There's just so many different shades. There's some 3371 for you. We always call that the landscape black. The deep, deep dark brown. More tans and terracotta colors. And then let's round it off with some yellows, peaches. I mean, really, they all start to just kind of, there's lighter and darker shades of yellow, peach, rust, terracotta, right? That's what we got. And then the 3 ABs are as follows. There's a dark yellow, kind of like an orangey yellow. That one's super pretty. The light pale yellow, and then a bunch of white. All right? Those are our 3 ABs. Okay, now I'm gonna play a tablecloth game with us. You know when you try to pull the tablecloth out from underneath the dishes? That's what I'm doing right now. There. Then I can put them all back in the bag. They're in order. Okay, so we got 3 ABs. The darker yellow, this darker yellow is the symbol R. Now there's not a ton of them. So let's see, where do we find them? Well, I can see some of them already. They're peeking out here in the leopard's face. There's R's through here, and there's some through here. They go up this way. So they're in his face in like the lighter yellow areas. There's R's throughout all of that. And did I see some over here? No. Those are peas, but they do come up this way as well. So like through his face here, where you see those yellow sections, there will be some of that darker orangey color, orangey yellow all through here, okay? The light yellow is like a lowercase e, and there's some down here, okay? There's a bit through here and kind of around here, like making an outline. And there's some through here outlining this darker yellow section. There's a few up here. There's some in here. Do we have more in here where we had the darker one? A few. There's a few, like sprinkled, a couple dots here and there. And then some in the whisker. Like some of the whiskers, not all of them, but like here, these few are the yellow. And then it comes across this way. So a few of the whiskers get that light yellow. And then, of course, we have the white. And we know where the white's going to be, right? So the white makes all of these whiskers down here, and they come across the yellow here. The white whiskers do. And then, of course, all of this is white AB. All right? I think it's going to be beautiful, don't you? And there's some white AB that comes down here a little bit. But I think it's going to be gorgeous. Her face just amazes me. And then when I step back and I look in the camera, his face looks awesome too. I think it's done really, really well. It would be one that would, I mean, for me, it would be a little bit more of a challenge because the color palette is all just kind of the same. Although, I mean, you're still going to get color change. It's just more monochromatic, but it's not really monochromatic, if that makes sense. There's just a lot of orange, brown, tan, yellow, right? And then, of course, a whole bunch of black. But it will be beautiful. I am certain when it is finished, it will be gorgeous. So go check out Oraloa. They're doing great stuff over there. They have some great artists. They have landscapes. They have like the portraits. They have some cute stuff. So check them out and see if there's something that you like. I hear a lot of people say they haven't tried Oraloa yet. Give them a try. I'm going to start putting some drills on one of the paintings I got early on because I think it's just beautiful, and see what I think. Let me know what you think if you've tried them, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll link them below. I'll link the painting. I'll link the company below so you can go check them out. And there was a code there because, like I said, I don't think I have one. But check that out, too. Save you some bucks, right? All right. I will talk to you soon. I'm going to put these away since they're all still in order. Good job, me. And I hope you guys have a great day. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.